Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with how to delete your ASOS account? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. Before we start our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. In order to delete your ASOS account, you'll have to simply open your ASOS app. Once you have opened the ASOS app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you'll be able to see various options. On the top left hand side corner, you'll be able to see a hamburger option that you'll have to simply tap on. Once you have tapped on the hamburger option, here you'll be able to see various options such as home, bag, saved items, my account, app settings, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on app settings. On the second last option, you'll be able to see delete my account. Here you'll have to tap on it. After tapping on delete my account, here you'll be said that there are many things that you'll lose once you delete your ASOS account. The things that you lose are the remaining voucher balance, your premier subscription fee, and so on. Here you can read on the screen. Once you have understood and you're sure about deleting your ASOS account, tap on I understand. After that, here you'll get various information. You can go through it once, and on the below you'll be able to see select a reason option. Here you'll have to select a reason as to why you are deleting your ASOS account. Here I will be tapping on the option I no longer want to shop at ASOS. Once you have chosen your reason, here you'll be able to see two options such as I have changed my mind and delete my account. If you're sure about deleting your account, then tap on delete my account. After that, here once again you'll have to tap on delete. And here, as you can see, your account has been successfully deleted. Tap on done. And just like that, we're all done. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete ASOS account on Android device. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.